じゃあ次のネクストの方よろしくお願いします。名前と簡単なバックグラウンドと質問。
お願いします。私の名前は鈴木桃子です。職業は医者をやっております。で、今日はこのヒジャブを着ていますが、私はムスリムではありません。今まで勉強してきてシャハーダを今日ここでしていただきたいと思ってこの格好で。すみません。その前に一つだけ質問させていただいていいですか。
Can I translate? She's Momoko.
Momoko Suzuki.
Suzuki, doctor. She has been studying about Islam all these days, and then she's prepared to take that shahada now. Before that, she'd like to ask you.
私は医者でずっと医学部で大学で医学を勉強してきまして、その中では豚肉が特に健康に悪いっていう情報は勉強したことがなかったので、それについて私の不勉強もあると思うので、どうしていけないのかどうか先生にお伺いしたい。
She has been studying medicine as a doctor, and then her question is, throughout her study, she admits that her study is not good enough to know the correct answer regarding to why eating pork is being forbidden. So, would you please answer me for that scientific reason?
So I will answer. I will say 3-4 sentences to translate. It will be better.
Yes, thank you.
Pork has been prohibited in the Quran in no less than 4 different places.
コランはすみません。豚はですね、コランの中で4カ所において禁じられています。
It is prohibited in Surah Maida chapter 5 verse number 3, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 173, in Surah Anam chapter 6 verse 145, and Surah Nahl chapter 16 verse 115.
ちょっと早くついていけなかったんですけど。
Allah says in the Quran, "Hurrimat alaykumul maytatu waddamu walamun khinzir wama uhilla li ghayrillah bi." Forbidden for you for food, dead meat, blood, the flesh of swine, and any food on which any name besides Allah's name is taken.
豚肉、
Dead meat,
血肉、
blood, the flesh of
血
swine.
肉、血のついた肉、それからアッラー以外の名が唱えられてもの、それからアッラー以外のものに捧げられた肉は禁じられていると。
Pork is also prohibited in the Bible, in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter number 14, verse number 8, in the book of Isaiah, chapter 65, verse number 5, as well as book of Leviticus, chapter number 11, verse 7 and 8.
Wow.
3 places mentioned. Just it's prohibited in the Bible. Let's come to the logical reason, scientific reason why pork is prohibited.
じゃあ、科学的になぜ豚肉が禁じられているかということですけども、
Today, science tells us that if we have pork, there are chances of having more than 70 different diseases.
豚肉を摂取すると70以上ものさまざまな病気にかかる確率があると。
Pinworm, roundworm, tapeworm, you name it, it is there.
医学用語わかりません。
なんとなくわかります。
You being a doctor, you might have learned in your medical college something like tinea solium. You know tinea solium? Tinea solium is a medical word for tapeworm. Repeat, tapeworm is called tinea solium.
何ですか、テープフォン？
寄生虫かなんかです。
Tinea solium. This tinea solium, even if you cook the food very well, the ova does not die.
加熱してしっかり調理したとしてもその寄生虫は死なないといった
The egg via the bloodstream can go to the brain and cause brain damage.
でその寄生虫の卵が胃に残ってそれがやがては脳にまで行って
It can go to the eye and cause eye blindness.
で盲目を
Can go to the heart and cause heart damage.
心臓病の原因
Can go to the liver and cause liver damage.
レバー肝臓病になる。
And this is very dangerous. By the time you know you're suffering from this disease, there's already irreparable, irreversible loss.
病気が分かった時にはもうすでに手遅れの状態になってしまいます。
There is one more disease called as tinea trichurasis. Tinea trichurasis is the medical term. Tinea trichurasis. You remember something? Which year medical college are you in? Which year? First, second, third. Which year is she studying in?
もう卒
Medical
業され
college.
てます？ 何年生ですかって、医学生何年生ですかって聞かれてます。
もう卒業して医
She's
者4年目です。
graduated.
She finished.
She finished.
So we
Since 2
learned in
years.
medical college about Taenia trichuriasis. It is a worm that stays in the human body and causes damage.
これも人間体内に残り続ける寄生虫で人間体
Today
を
science tells us that when you have pork, it has more of fat building material than muscle building material.
何ですかそれ。
Fat building. The pork has got fat
豚
building
肉を摂取す
material.
ると人体でその寄生虫が悪さをするんだそうです。
And that's the reason you have atherosclerosis. You know atherosclerosis? In Japanese, I think for atherosclerosis, you say atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis means a fat is deposited on the vessels of the blood vessels. Atherosclerosis. It's a medical word.
動脈硬化ですかね。
動脈硬化。なるほど。
And you have hypertension.
で、
高血圧。
Hypertension, high blood pressure
高血圧。
by having pork.
I
豚肉を食べると
understand.
高血圧。
MashaAllah, you understand, huh? And that's the reason people who eat pork have got lot of tires, you know, lot of fat.
また豚肉を食べる人は脂肪をたくさん抱えることになってしまいます。
And today science tells us that the pig stays in dirt and filth. It eats dirt and filth. It's a filthy animal.
今日の科学でよく知られていることですけども、豚肉は泥や汚物を食べるという、不浄な生き物です。
And it's the only animal that enjoys seeing its wife, its mate, having sex with a friend. It's a shameless animal. Most shameless animal on the face of the earth.
唯一のその地球上における唯一の動物として自分の伴侶がパートナーが他のオスと交尾をして喜んでいるというような恥ずかしいものを好
So
む。
these are the few reasons why we Muslims don't have pork.
それゆえにムスリムは豚肉を食べないわけです。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
I understood
So inshallah you won't have pork. From today you won't have pork.
今日からも豚肉はもう食べないですね。
I don't want to eat pork.
MashaAllah, very good. Sister, do you believe there is one God?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
No. You're doing out of your own free will? MashaAllah. I'll say it in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness.
I but
I bear witness.
I bear
Witness that
that
there is no God
no God
but Allah
but Allah
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant
and
servant
servant
of Allah.
of Allah.
MashaAllah, you become
Takbir! Allah Akbar! Takbir! Takbir!
Allahu Akbar.
Thank you so much.
Inshallah, pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give you more Hidayah and may He grant you Jannah.
唯一の神様があなたをさらにさらにお導きてくださいますように祝
Let
福を与
your
えてください
family
ますように
members and your friends and many Japanese, thousands of Japanese come to
他の
Islam.
様々な日
Inshallah.
本人の導きのきっかけとなりますようにお祈りします。
Jazakallah
あ
shukran.
りがとうございました。
MashaAllah, you have become Muslim.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
I pray to Allah subhanahu. I request the organizers that if they can give a Japanese translation of the Quran to the brother, and I pray to Almighty God that may He give you more guidance and put you in Jannah, so that we too can meet in Jannah, inshallah. We will meet in Jannah. I request the organizers that if you can take his name and phone number so that you can be in touch.
Can you shake him?
And if you have any questions, you're most welcome to ask any Muslim organization here. You can write the email to me also. You're most welcome. And I pray to Allah that may He give guidance to you and put you in Jannah, inshallah.
Oh, yeah, sure.